Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Let us introduce ourselves first. We are Prono Agent. We are from class 12-5. My name is Agent Fiona Aurora Bilkis.
My name is Agent Graciela Valencia.
And today we are going to discuss and talk about our comic called Chrono Agent: The Lost Artifact. Yay!
Okay, the character is our Emily as Chrono Agent. Next, Alex as Chrono Agent, and the last Nova V.
Yesterday, 2 hours later.
Let's start by reading the first panel. On the first panel, Emily says, "Our mission starts now. The chronoport is ready." The tense used in this panel is simple present because simple present is used for general facts, routines, or situations that are true right now. The formula is subject plus verb 1, and then you could add S or ES, which depends on the subject. Examples in this panel are starts and is as auxiliary verb. Jadi, pada panel pertama, Emily bilang, "Our mission starts now. The chronoport is ready." Nah, panel ini menggunakan simple present karena simple present dipakai untuk fakta umum atau kondisi yang sedang berlaku sekarang. Rumusnya menggunakan subject plus kata kerja atau verb 1 atau pertama, lalu tambahkan S atau ES tergantung dengan subjeknya. Contohnya di sini ada starts dan juga is sebagai kata kerja bantu.
Okay, on the second panel, Alex says we will jump to 1920. We will find the artifact. The tense used in this panel is simple future because simple future is used to talk about plans or action that will happen in the future. That formula is subject plus will as auxiliary verb plus verb 1. Example is this panel are we will jump and will fight. Oke, pada panel pertama itu Alex bilang our mission start now. The chronoport is ready. Tense yang dipakai di panel ini adalah simple future karena simple future dipakai untuk rencana atau kejadian di masa depan. Rumusnya menggunakan subjek tambah will sebagai kata kerja bantu tambah kata kerja atau verb 1. Contohnya di sini ada we will jump dan we will fight. Okay, the third panel, Emily say was landed in the vault. The artifact was missing. This panel you said simple past because simple past is used for event that happened and finished in the past. Formula is subject plus was or were as auxiliary verb plus verb 2. Example from the panel are landed and was. Pada panel ketiga, Emily berkata, "We landed in the vault. The artifact was missing." Panel ini menggunakan past simple karena past simple digunakan untuk kejadian yang terjadi dan selesai di masa lalu. Rumusnya itu ada subjek tambah was atau were sebagai kata kerja bantu, tambah lagi kata kerja bentuk kedua. Terus contohnya itu dari panel yang ketiga ini itu adalah London and West. Next, on the fourth panel, Alex say someone had taken it before we arrived. This panel used past perfect because past perfect is used to show that one past action happened before another past action. This formula is subject plus had as auxiliary verb plus verb 3. This example from the panel is someone had taken. Oke, selanjutnya itu di panel keempat, Alex berkata someone had taken before we arrived. Panel ini menggunakan past perfect karena past perfect digunakan untuk menunjukkan bahwa satu tindakan di masa lalu terjadi sebelum tindakan lain di masa lalu. Rumusnya itu adalah subjek tambah had, bisa dibilang sebagai kata kerja bantu, terus tambah lagi kata kerja bentuk ketiga. Contohnya itu di someone had taken.
Okay.
Now, onto the fifth panel. Emily says, now we are tracking the thief's temporal location. Present continuous is used here because present continuous is used for actions that are happening right now. The formula is subject plus am or is or are as auxiliary verb plus verb ing. The example here is we are tracking. Selanjutnya, Emily bilang, now we are tracking the thief's temporal location. Present continuous digunakan di sini karena present continuous digunakan untuk tindakan yang sedang terjadi saat ini. Rumusnya adalah subject plus am atau is atau are sebagai kata kerja bantu plus verb atau kata kerja ing. Contoh di sini adalah we are tracking. Now we're finally at the last panel, which is panel 6. On the last panel, Emily says, we have located him and recovered the artifact. Mission accomplished. The tense used in this panel is present perfect because present perfect is used for actions that happened in the past, but the result is still important right now. The formula used is subject plus have or has as the auxiliary verb plus verb 3. The example from this panel is we have located him. Jadi pada panel terakhir, yaitu panel ke-6, Emily berkata, we have located him and recovered the artifact. Mission accomplished. Maka dari itu, tense yang digunakan ialah present perfect karena present perfect digunakan untuk kegiatan yang terjadi di masa lalu, tetapi hasilnya masih penting sekarang. Rumus yang digunakan ialah subject plus have atau has sebagai kata kerja pembantu dan juga terakhir ada kata kerja ketiga. Dan contoh dari panel tersebut ialah we have located him. For your information, the difference between simple past, past continuous, and past perfect is their function. Simple past is used for actions that happened and finished in the past. For example, she studied yesterday. Past continuous is used for actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. For example, she was studying last night. Past perfect is used for actions that happened before another action in the past. For example, she had studied before the test. So, simple past describes completed actions in the past. Past continuous describes actions that were in progress in the past. And past perfect describes actions that happened earlier than another past action. Jadi, sebagai informasi tambahan kalian, perbedaan antara simple past, past continuous, dan past perfect terletak pada fungsinya. Simple past digunakan untuk kegiatan yang terjadi dan selesai di masa lalu. Contohnya seperti she studied yesterday. Lalu, past continuous digunakan untuk kegiatan yang sedang berlangsung pada waktu tertentu di masa lalu. Contohnya, she was studying last night. Lalu, past perfect digunakan untuk kegiatan yang terjadi lebih dulu sebelum kegiatan lain di masa lalu. Contohnya seperti she had studied before the test. Jadi, simple past menggambarkan kegiatan yang sudah selesai di masa lalu. Past continuous menggambarkan kegiatan yang sedang berlangsung di masa lalu, dan past perfect menggambarkan kegiatan yang terjadi lebih dahulu sebelum kegiatan lain di masa lalu.
Okay, for your information, the difference between simple present, present continuous, and present perfect is their function. Simple present is used for habits, routine, and general facts. Example, she studied every day. Present continuous is used for actions that are happening right now or temporarily. Example, she is studying right now. Present perfect is used for action that happened in the past but are still relevant now or whose result can be seen now. Example, she has studied the lesson. So, simple present describes regular action. Present continuous describes action happening at the moment. And present perfect describes past action that still have a connection to the present. Oke, jadi sebagai informasi tambahan, perbedaan antara simple present, present continuous, dan present perfect terletak pada fungsinya. Simple present digunakan untuk kebiasaan, rutinitas, dan fakta umum. Contohnya, she study every day. Simple present digunakan untuk kebiasaan present continuous digunakan untuk kegiatan yang sedang berlangsung, sekarang atau sementara. Contohnya itu, she is studying right now. Present perfect digunakan untuk kegiatan yang terjadi di masa lalu, tetapi masih berhubungan atau berdampak pada saat ini. Contohnya, she has studied the lesson. Jadi, simple present menggambarkan kegiatan rutin, present continuous menggambarkan kegiatan yang sedang terjadi sekarang, dan present perfect menggambarkan kegiatan masa lalu yang masih berkaitan dengan kondisi saat ini. Oke, terima kasih. Bye-bye.
We hope this explanation helps the audience understand the use of the tenses better. Now, because we have finished our explanation about the tenses within the comic, we could say that this is a mission accomplished. accomplished.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum.